Okay, in the previous class, we spent some time looking at parenthetical practice, and we used this slide, and students were asked to identify what the parenthetical was. And so in John, on the other hand, was a true genius. John is the essential element. On the other hand is your parenthetical expression with the commas on either side. Was a true genius is also an essential element. You also have this as in a positive. As a matter of fact, I plan on returning next year. I plan on returning next year is your essential element. As a matter of fact, is your non-essential element, your parenthetical. While I knew I would struggle, in reality, I embarrassed myself a lot. While I knew I would struggle as an essential element, I embarrassed myself a lot, also an essential element. In reality is a phrase which is also a non-essential element. That's your parenthetical. So, I would like you to pause the video, take a moment and add a practice sentence that uses a parenthetical in the middle of your sentence to your notes. Do that now. Non-essential elements, what are they? Well, they're parts of a sentence that can be cut out and the sentence will still make sense. And so that's what we're asking you to do here. We're asking you to look at, identify what an essential element is versus a non-essential element. So you can see in these two diagram sentences, Mario, a boy with high values, received the award. Mario is an essential element. A boy with high values is extra. How did I know that? Because I can take that expression out, that element out, and the sentence makes sense. Take a look at the second example. A boy with high values received the award. Well, this is all the same general idea, except I took out Mario. So I can't take out any more from this part. This is another sentence. These are two sentences here. A boy with high values received the award. So we don't know who the boy is. So the more specific you can be, the more essential it is. So here's a hint. The non-essential element will come between commas. All right, so that is a really good hint to look for. So now I'd like you to add two more sentences to your notes about the same topic. All right, so you could use one about feudalism, you could use one about bats, your choice. You need to write one that uses an essential element and another sentence that uses a non-essential element. All right, so to give you an example, here's my sentences. I chose something about feudalism. The king, the guy on the throne, likes to watch serfs work his lands all day. So in this example, my non-essential element is the guy on the throne. Okay? So in the second sentence, the king likes to watch serfs work his lands all day. Well, the king is an essential element because that's what the sentence is about. I cannot get rid of that. And also remember the hint. If I go back and I look at my clue, the non-essential element will come between commas. The guy on the throne is between commas. So take a minute, write one sentence that uses an essential element, one that uses a non-essential element. Same topic. Should look something like mine. Whatever the topic is about is your choice. When you're done, have a teacher initial your notes for the day. Thank you very much.